What if I told you a $5 mistake could turn into a $5,000 loss by the end of the month? That's exactly what could happen when lottery reconciliation isn't done correctly. Zack here with Fast Tracks. This Fast Tracks fact is about everyone's favorite topic, lottery reconciliation. Let's get into it. So you may be using our lottery reconciliation module today. You're going to see your variances, your overs and your shorts, and you're keeping those cashiers in line and none of them's got scratch fever. But are you using it as efficiently as you could be? If you're not using the lottery safe and you're not applying activations, you're definitely not. So let's look at those two. First off, the lottery safe option allows you to count what's in the safe every time you perform a reconciliation. Additionally, if you activate a book, it's going to remove it from the safe and put it into live inventory. And finally, you can take that activation and turn it directly into an invoice right from the lottery reconciliation screen. It really doesn't get easier than that. So by using the safe and then the activations, you're completing the life cycle of adding that lottery book to your inventory. So make sure you enable the lottery safe on your settings and then apply those activations and turn them into invoices, and I guarantee you, you're going to save a lot of time. That's it for this Fast Tracks fact. Until next time, take care.